Hey, what do we think about the McLaren?
We saw one yesterday.
Which one?
An AMG GT.
Wait, what?
AMG GT.
I was talking about McLaren.
Oh.
As you can see, we're all very excited about the car meet. Get in the vlog, Xander.
We're so excited.
Yep.
SVG meet.
SVG meet. Bay Area car meet. Goes crazy. As you can tell.
But the last SVG meet was full of shit boxes. This is like, yeah, it looked I'm not gonna lie. All the runs were pretty terrible.
The one last year?
Well, like, it was, all of the cars that were parked inside were cool, but like all the runs.
Okay, okay. Well, hopefully it's better this time around. Do you have any expectations, Xander?
No.
No?
So excited.
So excited. I'm probably gonna see that one truck again, the one that almost killed us.
Oh yeah.
Watch out, there's a Highlander trying to get by. What the heli? Jesus. Alright, do you have any expectation? What's your expectation? That's a clean F80.
Expectations is in the first hour, the police are gonna be here.
Police are gonna be here. Okay, okay. Do you have an expectation?
For what?
What do you think's gonna happen?
Someone's gonna get hit.
Oh my god. I can't put that in the video.
I expect to see someone trying to do a takeover in the street.
What do you expect?
From what?
The car meet.
That I don't know.
Yeah, those wheels are crazy. You'd be like aura farming out here.
I know it's like a foot long.
Oh my.
So I'm in awe looking at that gold C6 right there. That is crazy.
It's pretty sick. I mean, there's a lot of people. It's pretty crazy. What do you think of the matte black Urus that was in the corner?
I think it's clean.
It's pretty sick. It's pretty sick. Hell yeah, dude. What do you think of the Ferrari? What do you think of the Ferrari? What do you think of the Ferrari?
Do you like this better or do you like something different?
To be honest, I'd have to drive them because they're both V8s, right? Is it SF90? No, it's a Pista. It's an F8 though. It's an F8.
Oh, no, it's an F8.
F8 and then a 720S. I'd have to drive them, bro. But looking at them, I'd have to go with the Ferrari, I think. Just because it's like classic Ferrari red and everything. Dude, it's sick. That's actually so tough. Jesus Christ. Dude, that color is crazy.
Yo, I never thought red would look good on a Huracan.
Would you wrap it? Would you wrap yours candy apple red?
He's living my dream
No, I have
life.
blue calipers though.
It could work.
I mean, it was ridiculous.
Bro, is this shit engine swapped?
What? Oh my god. What the f is that, bro?
Oh, look at this.
Oh. Oh god. What is this turning into?
Crazy.
There's so much. My ears are blown out, just like my back.
Oh, that thing's pink. Oh my god. Oh my god.
She got hit by a bazooka.
Got it like that.
Yeah. You got people climbing trees. What the? Is that the?
Bro, I forgot like there's like supercars over there, bro.
Ow!
It's just like I don't know how to like commentate on this. It's just noise. Uh-oh. Spot got burnt. For the record, I came here strictly for a cheesesteak.
Just for the cheese.
Just for the cheese.
They're not even good cheese.
They're not good cheesesteaks. Bro, we came just for the cheesesteak, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I just want to get a cheesesteak. Try to get a little cheesesteak right now. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I just want that cheesesteak.
What's up, guys? Rod, say hi to the vlog.
What's up, man?
How are you?
Joel, nice to meet you.
It's about to start.
Dude, I swear to God, I hope this thing doesn't rev again. Oh my God. It's gonna just... It's too loud. I got sidetracked. Some girls asked me to do like a mission. I don't know, I was taking photos. Is that Remy? Oh, that is the Popo on its way. I guess they're, oh dude, they're coming.
Remy's oil farming right now.
What is that guy, bro?
The cops are here. It's so bright. Yeah, the lighting's crazy.
What's up, guys?
Remy just asked me to move his M4 CS. Okay, I just did that. Oh, or a farm.
How was your shots?
Which ones? The back shots or the
first climb?
downshifted floor.